Hi, thanks for watching today. This is just a short video that covers one of our most common questions, and that's how to search by address or landmark in Parcel Fair to find tax properties. And so this is a common question. Like I said, it's a little bit complicated, the answer. But to not bore you to death in detail, um, we've avoided having just a basic address search on the site because it just doesn't provide much value. There's a lot of difficulty with alternate spellings. The counties and cities maybe spell a street a certain way. There's partial address matches if you only have part of the address or something like that. And frankly, we like to use this other tool that Google has given us that's already this amazing location search. And we can get all the benefits of that advanced landmark and address searching out of the box and bring it to Parcel Fair instead of trying to do it ourselves. And what we do is we overlay that uh, places and landmark search on top of our parcel inventory map. So let's just walk through that. I'm going to show you in three different states, three different examples, just for variety's sake. So we'll start off in Arizona. I'm looking at Cochise County. And the way I like to think about this is go ahead and run your search for the county you're interested in, get all the parcels on screen. You can this will work in any state. That's one of the great things about Google Maps is and Google Places searches. It's universal. You can look for anything. So let's just look at Arizona, and we have Cochise County. If I was looking at the whole state, I could do all counties, and that's fine. But for this purpose, we'll just do Cochise. And up in the jump to, now that I have the parcels on the map, you would go to this jump to location search at the top of the page. And I have an address in mind already, so I'll start typing it. It's 961. And you see there's already a type ahead filter that is starting to auto-complete the suggested addresses based on where I am. All of those auto-completion suggestions are in Arizona because that's where my map is right now. And you see at the bottom, of course, this is powered by Google, so we can't take credit for that. But let's keep typing. So 961 21st Street. And so I can already see the top address is actually the one I wanted. And remember, I used the county address to look this up, which is 961 21st Street. But you'll notice this is an example of an alternate spelling address. The official address is actually 961 East 21st Street. So this is, again, one of the reasons we didn't try to put this address searching into Parcel Fair instead of just using this Google jump to location box at the top of the map. So now that we see the parcel I'm interested in, I'm sorry, the address I'm interested in, if we click it and let it autocomplete, it has put a push pin, like a little red marker pin, on the address and also with an info window showing us that this is the address we're looking for. You'll notice that since I have a parcel search with all the green parcels which are in Arizona, we're talking about liens here. So you can see the outline of the property, and then if you click on it, you get the Parcel Fair info window that you're probably used to seeing. And now I've found the address of the property in the county I'm looking at. And so I can check out the details screen, do whatever I need to do my research. So that covers addresses. You use the jump to location, you use the type ahead and let it autocomplete, and maybe even correct your spelling. So we're jumping across the country to Alabama. We're looking at Jefferson Bessemer County for another example. But for this one, I want to show you a landmark. And this is a very common one we like to use as an example. In the Jefferson Bessemer area, there's a Amazon fulfillment center that's pretty well known. So we'll do Amazon fulfillment center. I just typed the word Amazon. It's actually already auto-completed everything I need. So I can just click on this first result. And there's an older map there, but the current map shows that large white building. And you'll see parcels, the south of the building and somewhat to the east over here. So now I've searched by a landmark. I've basically jumped to that location on the map so that I can see nearby tax properties and other available parcels in the area. So remember, the jump to location box is literally how you jump to any location on the map. I could even choose something, let's say White House in Washington, D.C. So I can literally just type whatever I want. And if you have a parcel search in that area, then it will take you to nearby parcels like this. And so the last one, just for fun, I've pulled up Orange County in Florida. They have an auction going on right now, so I thought it'd be nice to show you doing this with auction properties on a map. That's the yellow properties on the map. And of course, you don't have to think hard to think about landmarks in Orlando. So let's jump to Universal Studios. And you can see in the nearby area, let's cut over to this so you can see the contrast. There's parcels near Universal Studios. I could say Disney World, and of course in Disney World area there's nothing there, but of course you don't have to look far. There's properties right on the border that are available on my parcel search. So that's just kind of a fun way to show you how to search in an auction where there's a lot of properties. But that covers everything for this question, and I hope this was helpful. And please send us questions, because that's how we decide what videos we're going to make next. So thanks again for watching.